Honda CR-V 2.4 engine 2002 to 2006. The AC compressor is located at the front on the left side bottom of the engine. To replace it, evacuate the refrigerant from the system, remove two AC lines, disconnect the compressor clutch connector, remove the serpentine belt, remove 4 mounting bolts, 2 on top and 2 at the bottom, and replace the compressor with a new one. Before installing the new compressor, make sure you add oil to it.